Hi, I'm Melissa, and I had a facelift here at Renaissance Plastic Surgery. I looked in the mirror every day and I didn't recognize the person. She was tired, I didn't see me. It looked like somebody else. I didn't want that anymore. Dr. Mills told me it could be changed and I trust him. When I came to Dr. Mills, I wanted a different procedure that he told me wouldn't be the best thing for me, even though he could have done the procedure. I felt very confident that he had my best interest at heart. Everything went smoothly. I felt confident that I could reach them if I needed anything. I knew they would be caring and they would help me should I need it. It was minimal recovery. Pretty quickly, I felt like I could do stuff. In 2 weeks, my friend and I went to Dallas to go shopping. I'm happy to tell people. I told people in the waiting room, look, I had a facelift, and I'm proud of it. I have recommended Renaissance to several friends, and I tell them to go for consultation. Tell them what you're thinking. I don't like this, I don't like that. You're who you are. They're not going to change who you are, but they might help you be a little happier when you look in the mirror with what you see. You'll just feel that they have your best interest at heart, like I did, and go for it, you're worth it. Every day when I looked in the mirror, I'm pleased with what I see. I still look like me, I just look better.